Hello. Today for math, we are going to be using an open number line to solve subtraction problems. Now remember, an open number line doesn't have any numbers already on it. We have to write the numbers in. So for this first problem, it's on page 623, and it is our solve and share problem. It says solve 50 minus 20 by showing it on this open number line. Okay, so we have 50 minus 20. Now, usually when we use an open number line, we start over here. That's because we've always been adding on our number line. But when we're subtracting on a number line, we're actually going to put our first number, which is 50, down at this end. Okay, so 50 minus 20. Now, I like to think of 20, instead of drawing, starting here and saying, okay, 50 minus 20, I have to draw 20 tick marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would take an awful long time, right? And then we would have to write in all of these numbers, and that would just take forever. So we're not going to do it that way, okay? We're going to say 50 minus 20. We can think of 20 as two groups of 10, right? 1 10, 2 10s. So if we have two groups of 10, we start with 50 and we're taking away two groups of 10. I'm going to draw one line, one group of 10, and another line, another tick mark, two groups of 10. So if I start at 50 and take away, right, subtract 10, 50 minus 10, 110 less is 40. And then I'll take away another 10, because we have another tick mark to jump to. 40, take away another group of 10, and now we are down to 30. So 50 minus 20, 10, 20, is 30. So our difference is 30. We can definitely check our work too. I'm going to come over to the side just to try to check my work. Right? I have 50. Uh-oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups of 10, right? And I want to take away 20. So I'm going to take away 10, 20. Cross two of them out, and what am I left with? 10, 20, 30. 3 groups of 10, which is 30. And that is the answer we got. So we checked our work, and we know that it's correct. All right, let's try another one together. This problem says subtract 70 minus 30 using an open number line. So I'm going to write down here 70 minus 30. So I don't forget what I'm solving. Equals, we don't know yet. So it already has 70 on your open number line, right? So we're going to start with 70 all the way at the end, and we need to take away 30. We're subtracting 30, so we're jumping backwards on our number line. But I'm not going to draw 30 tick marks, right? I'm going to take 30 and think of it as groups of 10. 1 group of 10, 2 groups of 10, 3 groups of 10, right? 10, 20, 30. So I'm going to draw 3 tick marks to show that I'm subtracting 30. 1, 2, 3. Now remember, try to space them out so you have enough room to write underneath, right? 70 minus 10, take away 10. 70 minus 10, we are left with 60, right? Now we have to take away another group of 10. Minus 10. 60, take away another group of 10. 10 less than 60 is 50. And then taking away one last group of 10. Minus 10, right? We took away 10, 20, 30, and we are left with 40. So let's see, 70 minus 10, 20, 30, we landed on 40 using an open number line. So 70 minus 30 equals 40. Our difference is 40. All right, let's try the guided practice problems together on page 624. Let's move these up so we can see. Okay. For this problem, it's 30 minus 20. So we're starting with 30. We're going to write 30 down here. And we're taking away 20, which I'm going to think of 20 as two groups of 10, right? 1, 2 groups of 10, 10, 20. So I'm going to draw 1, 2 tick marks, right? So take away one group of 10, minus 10, we get 20, right? 30 minus 10 is 20. And then another group of 10, take away 10, we are left with 10, right? 30 minus 10, 20, and we are left with 10. All right, the last problem that we will do together today is 90 minus 70. Okay, so I have to write 90 down here because that's what I'm starting with, right? And I have to take away 70. 70 is 7 groups of 10, right? 7 groups of 10. So I'm going to draw 7 tick marks, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay, take away 10. I'm left with 80. 90, 80, take away 10, and I have 70. Take away 10. Now we have 60. Take away 10. Now I have 50. Take away another group of 10. Now we have 40. Take away another group of 10. Now we have 30. Take away one last group of 10. And now we are left with 20. So let's check our jumps to make sure we did this correct. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. We took away 70, right? And we counted correctly. 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20. So 90 minus 70 is equal to 20. Okay. What I want you to do is open up your math workbook and try the independent practice problems all by yourself.